Hi, in today's video, I'll show you how to take a screenshot on your Android phone. First, go to the screen or page that you want to capture. Next, press the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Hold them for about 1 second, then release both buttons. If the screenshot is successful, you'll see a quick animation or hear a shutter sound, depending on your device. A preview of the screenshot may also appear at the bottom of the screen, where you can tap it to edit, crop, or share your image right away. If the button combination doesn't work, you can also use your phone's built-in screenshot gesture or the screenshot option from the Quick Settings panel if your device supports it. To view your screenshot later, open the Gallery or Photos app and look for the Screenshots album. That's all. You've successfully taken a screenshot on your Android phone. Happy watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.